Time went by so fast.
It's DP. Woo! Home. Oh my God. A great stove. That's it. Our screen broken, but I missed you. We love her. Wow. So we have the triple room in here. It's our room. Wow.
Wow.
It's very crusty and musty. Ever. It's senior year, baby. We're so excited. We're gonna make it work. This is round 3.
Good job.
Good job. House is down there, but if you come upstairs, Unit B, anyone in residence? Hello. This is the upstairs balcony.
Wow.
It's a really cute kitchen dining area in here. But when you eat, you can kind of sort of see the ocean somewhere.
No, do you think a pass is over?
Doing a thing.
What the heck?
Why? Probably move out of the way.
Arm holding up.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh.
Where are you going? God damn it!
Sorry. It's just out.
Damn it! Shaky!
Sorry. You should have told me.
What do you mean I should have told you?
I did not realize.
Oh! She went the wrong way!
I'm sorry. Little bit of an update. This is our living room. It's going to come together. I believe in it. We don't get the ocean view because it's like just not enough room, but we have wood floors. The bathroom is really janky. No shower curtain. Oh, something sad just happened. We left our table out here, but it got stolen. I'm gonna cry right now. Disclaimer, we found it. This is round 5. Round 5. It'll be round 6, and then we are done for our house, and then we have Justin's stuff. This is a really bad vlogging angle. Hi guys, we're almost done. It's such a good job protecting. We did it. We cleared out this entire area. Welcome to our grass. Grass! Grass! What?
아 추워요. I know.
Go, 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 go. Meridian, I'm suing you.
I am doing my hair.
No, that's my God. Mine.
Yeah, mine was like mine.
We got our room layout. Took a lot of debating, a lot of mental work. No.
Okay. Everybody stay calm.
How do you stop?
You need to check your.
Go. Ultra Max. You always want to look on the brighter side of things. Our floors are really clean, and now
Don't shower anymore.
look at our feet. Kind of nice like that. It's coming together.
I'm such a.
But I think I really like the layout of our room. We'll do a tour later.